Forever in your arms. The evening sun is fading slow, golden colors start to glow. A gentle breeze upon the sea brings your sweet love back to me. Every moment by your side feels like a peaceful island ride. Your tender touch, your love and charm keeps me safe from every storm. And when the stars begin to shine, I thank Jah every day you're mine. Forever in your arms, my love, that's where I belong. Wrapped inside your sweet embrace, where my heart is strong. In your arms, moonlight dancing on the shore makes me love you even more. Your smile brightens up my day and takes all my fears away. When the world gets cold and gray, your love lights up my way like a melody so sweet. You make my life feel complete, and every dream I've ever known leads me back to you alone. Forever in your arms, my love, that's where I belong. Wrapped inside your sweet embrace, where my heart is strong. my worries drift away. The ocean whispers soft and low as the island breeze begins to blow. Your hand is resting next to mine. Everything feels so divine. The rhythm of the waves so sweet, moving gently beneath our feet. And when you look into my eyes, I see 1,000 paradise skies. It's island love tonight, under the stars so bright, holding you close to me. Feels like a sweet melody. Island love tonight, everything feels so right. Just you and I alone, making this heart our home. The palm trees dance from side to side, while love flows like the evening tide. Your laughter fills the tropical air, a little magic everywhere. The music plays a lover's tune beneath the glowing silver moon. And every beat inside my heart says we'll never drift apart, no matter where the road may lead. Your love is everything I need. It's silent love tonight, under the stars so bright, holding you close to me. Feels like a sweet melody. Island love tonight, everything feels so right. Just you and I alone, making this heart our home. Let's dance until the morning light, wrapped in this beautiful night. No rush, no fear, no reason to hide. With all this love right by our side, you see the moon, the reggae sound, the sweetest feeling that I've found. Every moment feels brand new whenever I'm here with you. It's silent love tonight, under the stars so bright, holding you close to me. Feels like a sweet melody. Island love tonight, everything feels so right. Just you and I alone, making this heart our home. Island love tonight, we'll keep this feeling alive, like the waves upon the shore. I'll be loving you more and more. Island love tonight, sweet romance in the moonlight. Together forever we'll stay, till the break of another day. Sunset kisses. The sun is melting into gold, painting stories yet untold. We walk together by the sea, just you, the sunset, and me. The waves are dancing at our feet, keeping time with our heartbeat. Every moment feels so right, wrapped in your love tonight. As the sky turns shades of red, I remember every word you said. begins to play as daylight softly fades away. Your smile shines brighter than the stars, no matter where we are. The reggae music fills the air, and I can feel your love and care. With every dance, with every sway, I wish this night could always stay. The colors fade, but one thing's true. My heart keeps falling more for you. Sunset kisses, sweet and slow, like the warm island winds that blow. Holding on, never letting go. In your love, my feelings grow. Sunset kisses on the shore make me love you even more. Every touch I'm dreaming of feels like paradise in love. Stay right here till morning comes, listening to the island drums. No worries, no tears, no goodbye, just you and me beneath the sky. The moon will rise, the stars will glow, but there's one thing that I know: no treasure found across the sea means as much as you to me. Sunset kisses, sweet and slow, like the warm island winds that blow. Holding on, never letting go. In your love, my feelings grow. Sunset kisses on the shore make me love you even more. Every touch I'm dreaming of feels like paradise in love. Sunset kisses, one more time, your hand forever holding mine. As the daylight slips away, my love for you will always stay. Sunset kisses, soft and true. Every sunset leads to you. And when tomorrow's sun is high, I'll still love you, you and I. Yeah. The night is young, the mood is right. Your love is shining in the moonlight. A gentle touch, a tender flame, and every heartbeat calls your name. The ocean breeze moves through your hair like a sweet melody floating in the air. When you hold me close this way, I never want this night to fade away. Every little smile you share with me feels like a dream, feels like destiny. Whisper my name softly tonight. Hold me close beneath the starlight. Tell me your heart will stay the same. And softly, baby, whisper my name. Whisper my name. Let love remain. Let love remain. Like summer sunshine after the rain. Wrapped in your arms is where I came. So softly, darling, whisper my name. The reggae rhythm fills the air, and all I need is standing there. The way you look into my eyes feels like heaven in disguise. Every word you gently say takes all my worries far away. Your loving heart, your sweet embrace brings so much joy into this heart will always hear you say, whisper my name, whisper my name, forever and always. Whisper my name. Sweet like reggae. Came into my life so naturally, like a warm island breeze across the sea, with a smile that shines like the morning sun. Since the day we met, my heart you've won. Every little word you softly say makes all my troubles drift away. When you hold me close, I feel so free, like a melody flowing endlessly. And every time you look my way, you make my cloudy skies turn gray today. Your love is sweet like reggae, moving through my soul all day, like a rhythm I can't deny. You lift me up and make me fly. Sweet like reggae, pure and true. Every beat reminds me of you. From the first dance to eternity, your love keeps playing inside of me. The music's playing, the night feels right. We're swaying together beneath the moonlight. The bass line rolls and the guitar sing, and all I want is everything you bring. No fancy words, no grand display, just your loving heart to light my way. In every song and every tune, I hear your love beneath the moon. The way you laugh, the way you smile, makes every moment feel worthwhile. Your love is sweet like reggae, moving through my soul all day, like a rhythm I can't deny. You lift me up and make me fly. Sweet like reggae, pure and true. Every beat reminds me of you. From the first dance to eternity, your love keeps playing inside of me. Let's dance until the break of dawn and keep this love and feeling strong. The stars above can clearly see you're the sweetest part of me. Like island waves upon the shore, you make me want you even more. No matter where life takes us to, my heart will always beat for you. Your love is sweet like reggae, moving through my soul all day, like a rhythm I can't deny. You lift me up and make me fly. Sweet like reggae, pure and true. Every beat reminds me of you. From the first dance to eternity, your love keeps playing inside. Sweet reflections dancing in the light. The island breeze is calling your name, and every heartbeat feels just the same. We walk together along the shore, and I find myself loving you more. With every step, with every smile, you make this life feel so worthwhile. The stars above seem to agree, you are my sweetest destiny. Love under the moonlight, holding you so tight, dancing to a lover's rock song where our hearts belong. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Just you and me tonight, lost in love under the moonlight. The gentle waves keep rolling in, like the love that grows within. Your tender touch, your loving eyes feel like heaven in disguise. The reggae rhythm moves us slow as the cool night breezes blow. Wrapped together side by side, with nothing in this world to hide. And every dream I've ever known leads me back to you alone. Love under the moonlight, holding you so tight, dancing to a lover's rock song where our hearts belong. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Just you and me tonight, lost in love under the moonlight. Let's stay here till the morning sun, enjoying every moment as one. No need for promises or plans, I've found forever in your hands. The moon may fade, the stars may fall, but our love will outshine them all. Through every season, through every year, my heart will keep you near. Love under the moonlight, holding you so tight, dancing to a lover's rock song where our hearts belong. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Just you and me tonight, lost in love under the moonlight. As dawn begins to touch the sky, I still see love within your eyes. And when another night takes flight, we'll meet again beneath the moonlight. Love under the moonlight, forever feels so right. You and me, endlessly, a love as deep as the sea. Hold me close again. The evening breeze is calling softly as the sun slips into the sea. I see your smile across the room, and my heart starts dancing naturally. It's been a long and winding journey, but love has brought us here again. Now every worry fades away the moment you take my hand. I've waited for this feeling a sweet song meant for two. Every note carries a memory of all the reasons I love you. The moonlight shines upon your face like a dream I never want to end. In your eyes I find my peace, in your touch I find my strength. No matter where life takes us to, my heart keeps coming back to you. Hold me close again tonight. Let our hearts beat side by side. Wrap me in your loving arms and keep me warm all through the night. Hold me close again, my love, like the stars embrace the sky above. Every kiss feels new again, so hold me close again. Let's dance beneath the moonlit sky and leave our cares behind. Just feeling your heartbeat next to mine is all I need tonight. The ocean waves sing harmony, the palm trees sway so free, and in this moment, hand in hand, you're everything to me. Hold me close again tonight. Let our hearts beat side by side. Wrap me in your loving arms and keep me warm all through the night. Hold me close again, my love, like the stars embrace the sky above. Every kiss feels new again, so hold me close again. When morning comes and sunlight shines, I'll still be yours and you'll be mine. Through every season, through every change, our love will always remain. Hold me close again tonight. Never let this feeling end. Forever in your arms I'll stay. So hold me close again. Oh yeah. I saw you standing in the evening glow, with a smile that set my soul aglow. The ocean breeze carried your sweet perfume, and suddenly my world began to bloom. Your gentle touch feels like a summer rain, washing away every hurt and pain. Every moment spent with you makes all my dreams come true. You bring a light I've never known, a love that feels just like home. Golden heart romance, come and take my hand. Let's dance beneath the moonlight and let love lead the way tonight. Golden heart romance, together we can stand. With every beat my heart can see, you're the only one for me. The reggae music plays so sweet and slow, while the candlelight begins to treasure found across the earth could ever match your priceless worth. Golden heart romance, come and take my hand. Let's dance beneath the moonlight and let love lead the way tonight. Golden heart romance, together we can stand. With every beat my heart can see, you're the only one for me. Let's sail away on dreams tonight, guided by the stars so bright. No storm could ever break apart the love inside our hearts. Through every season we will grow, like rivers that forever flow. And every sunrise we will find a deeper love through space and time. Golden heart romance, come and take my hand. Let's dance beneath the moonlight and let love lead the way tonight. Golden heart romance, together we can stand. With every beat my heart can see, you're the only one for me. Golden heart romance, forever we'll advance, hand in hand through joy and chance, living in our sweet romance. Golden heart romance, a love so pure, so true. And every song my heart will sing will always belong to you. Dreaming of your love. The stars are shining over the sea tonight, casting their glow in the pale moonlight. I close my eyes and there you are, my sweetest wish, my guiding star. The gentle breeze whispers through the trees, carrying memories so tenderly. Every thought keeps leading back to you, like waves returning to the ocean blue. No matter where my heart may roam, your love is always calling me home. I'm dreaming of your love tonight, holding your memory oh so tight, like a melody from up above. I'm lost in dreaming of your love, dreaming of your love, my dear, feeling your presence everywhere. With every heartbeat I rise above, forever dreaming of your love. The reggae rhythm softly plays, taking me back to brighter days when we danced beneath the moonlit sky, with nothing but love in our eyes. Your laughter lingers in the air, a precious feeling beyond compare. And though you're not right here with me, your love still feels so close and free. The moon and stars can clearly see you're still the sweetest part of me. I'm Lovers rock rhythm begins to flow. You reach for my hand with a gentle smile, and suddenly time stands still for a while. The moon hangs high above the sea, while the island breeze moves tenderly. Every step we take feels brand new. All I ever need is here with you. The world can wait till the morning light. Right now everything feels so right. One more dance with you tonight, swaying underneath the stars so bright, holding you close, feeling love so true. All I want is one more dance with you. One more dance before the night is through, lost in the magic of me and you. With every beat, my heart breaks through. Just give me one more dance with you. The reggae bassline moves so deep, like promises our hearts will keep. Your eyes shine brighter than the moon above, reflecting all the beauty of our love. The palm trees sway to the rhythm sound as our feet glide softly across the ground. Every moment feels like paradise when I'm looking into your eyes. No place I'd rather be tonight than wrapped inside your love so tight. One more dance with you tonight, swaying underneath the stars so bright, holding you close, feeling love so true. All I want is one more dance with you. One more dance before the night is through, lost in the magic of me and you. With every beat, my heart breaks through. Just give me one more dance with you. Let's forget about tomorrow for a while and stay right here beneath the island sky. The music, the moonlight, your embrace makes this feel like the perfect place. The night keeps singing our favorite tune as we move together beneath the moon. And if this moment could forever stay, I'd never let it slip away. One more dance with you tonight, swaying underneath the stars so bright, holding you close, feeling love so true. All I want is one more dance with you. One more dance before the night is through, lost in the magic of me and you. With every beat, my heart breaks through. Just give me one more dance with you. As the morning sun begins to rise, I still see love within your eyes, and every dream that I pursue will lead me back to dance with you. One more dance, one more chance to hold you close and share romance. Forever, my heart will stay true to every dance I share with you. Paradise of love. The sun goes down on a golden shore, and I find myself wanting you more. The ocean sings its sweet refrain as your love runs through my veins. A gentle breeze moves through the night, wrapping us in pure delight. With your hand resting in mine, every moment feels divine. The stars above are shining bright, blessing this beautiful night. Welcome to our paradise of love, sent from the heavens above, where every dream comes alive, and our hearts forever survive. Paradise of love, you and me, flowing like the endless sea. No place on earth I'd rather be than in your arms so tenderly. The reggae rhythm fills the air, and I can feel your loving care. Every sway, every embrace brings me closer to your grace. The moonlight paints your lovely face like an angel in the sacred place, and every whisper that you say makes my heart drift away. The night is young, the feeling strong. With you is where I belong. Welcome to our paradise of love, sent from the heavens above, where every dream comes alive, and our hearts forever survive. Paradise of love, you and me, flowing like the endless sea. No place on earth I'd rather be than in your arms so tenderly. Let's sail beyond the horizon line, leaving every worry behind. Just you and me beneath the stars, no matter how near or far. Through every season we'll remain like sunshine after gentle rain. Our love keeps growing day by day in the sweetest possible way. Welcome to our paradise of love, sent from the heavens above, where every dream comes alive, and our hearts forever survive. Paradise of love, you and me, flowing like the endless sea. No place on earth I'd rather be than in your arms so tenderly. Paradise of love tonight, everything feels so right as the moon shines from above. We're living in a paradise of love, paradise of love, so true. Every road leads back to you. Forever and a day we'll stay in this paradise we've made. Tender love and vibes. The evening breeze is soft and warm. As I rest here in your arms, the ocean sings a gentle song, and with you is where I belong. The moonlight glows upon your face, filling this night with beauty and grace. Every smile you send my way makes me fall deeper every day. Your love feels like a sweet surprise. I see forever in your eyes. Tender loving vibes tonight, holding me so warm and tight. Moving to the rhythm slow, let this feeling always flow. Tender loving vibes so true, every heartbeat leads to you. Wrapped inside your sweet embrace, I found my happy place. The reggae music fills the air, and I can feel your loving care. Every note and every sound lifts my spirit from the ground. The stars above begin to shine like little blessings sent divine. And every moment that we share feels like magic everywhere. No matter what tomorrow brings, your love gives my heart wings. Tender loving vibes tonight, holding me so warm and tight. Moving to the rhythm slow, let this feeling always flow. Tender loving vibes so true, every heartbeat leads to you. Wrapped inside your sweet embrace, I found my happy place. Let's dance beneath the moonlit sky, with island dreams passing by. The palm trees sway, the waves roll in, and love surrounds us once again. No need for riches, fame, or gold. Your loving heart is worth much more. With every touch and every kiss, you fill my world with perfect bliss. Tender loving vibes tonight, holding me so warm and tight. Moving to the rhythm slow, let this feeling always flow. Tender loving vibes so true, every heartbeat leads to you. Wrapped inside your sweet embrace, I found my happy place. Tender loving vibes remain like sunshine after summer rain. Forever close, forever near. The sweetest love I've ever known is here. Tender loving vibes will stay, growing stronger every day. And as the stars light up the skies, I'll cherish these tender loving vibes. You are my sunshine. When morning light touches the sea, your loving smile awakens me like golden rays across the shore. You make me love you even more. so thankful you are mine. When storm clouds gather overhead, your love fills my heart instead. You give me strength to carry on, like the promise of a brand new dawn. Hand in hand we'll find our way, growing stronger every day. No matter what the future brings, your love gives my spirit wings. You are my sunshine, shining so bright, filling my world with love and light. Whenever you're close, my skies turn blue, my heart keeps smiling, because of you. Yeah, you are my sunshine, can't you see, can't you see? You're the sweetest part of me. Through every season, through every time, I'm so thankful you are mine. You are my sunshine, warm and true. Every road leads back to you. As the sun sets beyond the sea, you'll always be my melody. You are my sunshine, every day, lighting up my path along the way. Forever my heart will say, I love you more with each new day. Together through time. From the moment that I met you, I knew my heart had found its way. Like the sunrise on the ocean, you brighten every single day. Through the laughter and the memories, through the dreams we've made come true. Every road I've ever traveled has led me closer here to you. And when I look into your eyes, I see a love that never dies. Together through time, you and I, like the stars that fill the sky, holding on through every climb. We'll stay together through time. Together through time, hand in hand, building dreams that always stand. No matter where our paths may wind, we'll stay together through time. The reggae rhythm softly plays now, as we sway beneath the moon. Every heartbeat tells a story of a love that came too soon. The years may pass like flowing rivers, but our hearts remain the same. Every chapter, every season keeps burning with love's flame. No matter what tomorrow brings, your love gives my spirit wings. Together through time, you and I, like the stars that fill the sky, holding on through every climb. We'll stay together through time. Together through time, hand in hand, building dreams that time. Endless lovers rock. The night is glowing with a gentle light. The stars are dancing in the sky tonight. A warm breeze drifts across the sea, bringing your sweet love closer to me. The rhythm flows like a river so deep. I promise our hearts will always keep. With every sway and every embrace, I find my heaven in this place. The music plays, our spirits rise. I see forever in your eyes. Endless lovers rock tonight. Move into the rhythm so right. Holding each other close and tight. Lost in endless lovers rock tonight. Endless lovers rock, you and me, flowing like the endless sea. A love that's strong as it can be. Endless lovers rock eternally. The moonlight shines upon your face, surrounding us with beauty and grace. Every whisper, every smile makes this journey so worthwhile. The bassline rolls beneath our feet, keeping our hearts in perfect beat. And every song that fills the air reminds me how much we share. No matter where the years may go, my love for you will always grow. Endless lovers rock tonight. Move into the rhythm so right. Holding each other close and tight. Lost in endless lovers rock tonight. Endless lovers rock, you and me, flowing like the endless sea. A love that's strong as it can be. Endless lovers rock eternally. Let's dance until the morning sun and celebrate the love we've won. The world can wait another day. Tonight we'll let our hearts sway. The ocean sings a sweet refrain like sunshine after summer rain. Together we have found the key to love's sweet melody. Endless lovers rock tonight. Move into the rhythm so right. Holding each other close and tight. Lost in endless lovers rock tonight. Endless lovers rock, you and me, flowing like the endless sea. A love that's strong as it can be. Endless lovers rock eternally. Endless lovers rock will play in our hearts every day. Through every season, through every year, this love will keep us near. Endless lovers rock, sweet and true. Every song reminds me of you. And as the stars light up the night, we'll keep dancing till morning light. Endless lovers rock. forever we'll sway. Endless lovers rock. Love will lead.